In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce lag in Minecraft. As you can see, for me it's not pretty laggy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to reduce this. So this is very easy and it only requires some steps. So you don't have to install any third-party apps or something like that. It's all within the Minecraft client. So you want to hit your escape button and then go to options. Now you want to go to video settings and you want to hit max frame rate max. So you want to max this out to get the maximum frame rate. As you can see, my render distance is 24 chunks, which is pretty much. And if you want to increase FPS, I recommend you to lower this. I don't recommend you to do it render chunks too, because then you almost can't see anything. So I would say 5 or 6 if you have a very bad PC. So just do it like this. Also, don't use VSync, fuel bubbling has to be on, and clouds has to be off. So you want to turn this off, particles decreased, and the shadows is very important, turn shadows off. This is basically how you can reduce lag in Minecraft. And if I play it again, as you can see, almost no lag. So the quality maybe is a little bit worse, but you don't have lag and the FPS is way higher. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.